anyone's car. Boom, boom. Get out me car. Do you guys remember that fucking Vine? That was the Vine. Bring Vine back. That was the place. That was the motherfucking place. So I pretty much made this video as like a precursor to my, wait, what does precursor mean? Do I know what that word means? I need to look this up. Because I actually don't think I know what precursor means exactly. I feel like I know what it means, but I don't really know what it means. Precursor, a person or thing that comes before another of the same kind, a forerunner. Okay, bet. So yeah, so I made this video as a precursor to my natural hair routine video. And I pretty much just made it, it's an unboxing video. I pretty much just made it so you guys can see all the products I got, my initial reactions, just pretty much showing, like, cause I got a big ass box. Like I felt like you guys should see what was in the box, you know? So if you watch this video, but you don't watch the hair routine video where I actually use those products, you must be a Trump supporter because you don't make sense. So definitely watch this video. It's short anyways, and then go watch my next video. I wonder if I can like insert it. It's gonna be inserted somewhere if I can. If I can't, then I'm cutting this part out. But yeah, definitely go watch my like actual video after you watch this video. Hope you guys enjoy 5 minutes of me unboxing and being an idiot. So I ordered a box full of shit from As I Am. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, first thing I ordered, Jamaican Black Castor Co-Wash. Wait, what type of fucking foo-foo ass bubble wrap? Anyways. Wait. The hell? Why did they make this impossible to fucking open? Okay, let me, and y'all know I don't have scissors. What the fuck? I got this leave-in. Classic. So much moisture. Ooh. I got this. It's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water. I'm actually most excited to try this just because I feel like I've never tried this before. Bitch. Anyways. Hey, these are so everything up. Like their products are so sexy looking. Like that's just why I love them so much. Oh, it came with like, oh bro. Okay. It came with this. It's too bright. Can y'all see? Okay, anyways, you can't see, but it came with a hand sanitizer thing. I'm excited about this. This is a lot of hand sanitizer, and I got this for free, but it's only 62% alcohol. Wait, how do you open it? What? Wait, what? How do you open it? Hey. I'm not gonna lie, it smells weird. I don't really like it. I don't like how it smells. Like I don't want this on my hands anymore. I'm not kidding. Or maybe that's the smell of my hands. Nah, no. Let me not do myself. No, I know it's not the smell of my hands. Okay, and then the last product I got was this conditioner. Hydration Elation conditioner. So I'm excited about this. I'm excited to try. Oh, but I also got their curl clarifying shampoo. Classic curl clarifying shampoo. And then I have their leave-in conditioner as well. But y'all can't see that because my camera wants to be weird. I had this already though, but I haven't really used it, so I'm excited. I actually am really excited. I'm not kidding. This bubble wrap isn't as satisfying as other bubble wraps that I've played with. So, as I am, do better with your fucking bubble wrap.